All right, Ms. Cox, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record?
Maria Cox, C-O-X.
And do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you, Ms. Cox. Okay. Mr. Lee, Cameron Lee.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. I think Mr. Francisco Garcia does not speak English, probably. I'm going to give you, can you send him a message, Ms. Cox, or do I have to send a message?
I can, let me see when I pull up the chat if it gives me that option. Yes, it does give me an option to send it to him. I don't know that he will get it, but I can certainly try to do it verbally.
Here he is on the screen. Yeah, try to send him a message and ask him to please connect his audio.
Okay.
He's got somebody with him too. Maybe they can.
He's got somebody with him too. Yeah, he does. The only thing, I'm going to wait until I see that documentation come through on my email address. All right.
I haven't received the email yet in the chat.
It should be in the chat. Just go to the chat down there.
I see the.
I sent it to Francisco Garcia. I'm gonna send it to you. Send it to everyone.
Judge Perkins, my honor, or your honor.
Yes.
I don't mean to disrupt or anything.
Yes, you do mean to disrupt. You do.
I'm sorry.
Ahead. I said you do mean to disrupt. Go ahead.
Well, I do, but I'm a teacher, so I did not get the time off for this, and so right now I'm giving my.
Enough said. Let's see. Let's see if we can dispose of this right quick.
I'm so sorry.
Shoot.
What's your middle name, sir?
My middle name is Josiah. J-O-S.
Do you have registration, Mr. Lee?
I do. Like, I tried to call the district.
Just show it. Just show it. No, all that.
Put it up to the screen, please.
Can you see it?
Yeah. This is the city of Detroit versus Cameron Josiah Lee, case number 217-260-391. Can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Mr. Cameron Lee.
I'm going to dismiss your case. You provided valid documentation, sir. What grade do you teach?
I am a first-year high school band director, so I teach 9th through 12th grade, and I'm also a grad student at Grand Valley State University.
All right,
so,
very well. Good luck to you, sir. You can get back to your students, all right?
So everything's dropped.
Everything's gone.
Oh, God is so good. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good one.
Take care.
All right.
You can leave the Zoom. Just hit leave.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Odom. Ms. Odom, what would you like to do?
I'm gonna pay the $175.
All right, well, let's go with this. Ms. Barnwell, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible fee? And
yes, Judge. So stipulated.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Judge.
All right. I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. Fine you $175. I'm going to dismiss the other matter. When can you pay, ma'am?
Now.
All right, I'm gonna just give you until the end of the week. I want you to either come down to the courthouse and pay it, or I want you to pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. And I believe you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. Those are the best two ways I know how to pay it. So by the time I recall your case on March the 18th, I should be able to pull that up and I should see it's paid and I can close the matter out. However, if it's not paid by March the 18th, I need to see you on that morning, okay, ma'am?
Yes,
Have a great day.
you as well. Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Bye.
All right, what did Garcia do? Did he ever get his, no, he didn't. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter. I tried sending him 2 chat messages and he has not responded, but I could maybe try to give him a call if you have his number. I mean, I don't have it, but
We'll see. There's a number in here. I don't see a phone number. All right, we'll continue on. Oh, this is unique. Lynette Owens' file.
Oh,
Where's Garcia's file? See if we see a number here. No, I don't have a number, so we'll move on. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Unique Lynette Owens, case number SP 123-52581, SP 123-5163, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearances for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P 42505, on behalf of Miss Unique Lynette Owensby.
All right, let's see if I got a message from Miss Owens. I haven't yet.
Did you look in the chat, Miss Owensby?
yes, I emailed them already.
Okay,
You email me a picture too, right? It's sometimes takes a while for those pictures. Let's see if we can get that information pulled back up again. I would like to get you out of here quicker rather than later. Ms. Owens, see if you can focus that thing on that on your camera. You keep turning your camera
Turn
on.
it, right, I could turn it this way.
turn it whichever way. Let's see if we can read it.
Turn it up. Now you gotta put it right side up. And back it up a little bit. All right, back it up just a little bit. I'm gonna come forward a little bit. All right. As soon as you come forward, it goes. Do you have some kind of background on?
No, let me try. I don't know why it's like this.
All right. I don't know. I don't either.
Yeah, that happens with my phone lately.
Am I able to put it in the chat? Like just chat it to you, like by itself?
Well, I would like to just see it. I'm gonna take your word for it. I mean, you're showing me something. I don't think that you're showing me anything that's fraudulent. And you have a very good driving record. I'm gonna dismiss your cases.
Thank you. That's my first time getting put over.
Okay, be
I'll
careful
bring
what
it
you
back.
say.
Thank you so much.
How old are you? How old are you?
23.
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss your case. You provided valid documentation.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
It is certainly hot in here.
Oh, okay, that's me.
I mean, no, it's not, I mean, it's not, you're adding to it probably. Henry Lloyd,
Yes,
how you doing, sir?
fine, sir. How are you?
Very well.
Good.
This is the city of Detroit versus Henry Evans Lloyd, case
Yes.
number SP 1233309, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell on behalf of Mr. Henry Lloyd.
Mr. Lloyd, what is it going to take for you to get a driver's license?
Your Honor, that's a good question. I've been trying to get a birth certificate in order to get my license, but everything I do to try to get them, I just cannot get that birth certificate. But I can walk into Secretary of State and they'll set me up and they'll tell me I need that. And I just can't get it. I have tried everything. I have went to Ohio. I have went to churches for help. I have did everything. And I just can't seem to get that birth certificate.
Okay.
That is a serious problem for me. No, I just went because it was an option.
Where were you born?
In Michigan, Detroit.
So why would you be able to why would you go to Ohio to get a birth certificate?
Because it was available to, they were saying that you can go there and get them and stuff like that. I just tried everything.
You a birth certificate in Ohio if you were born in Michigan. You got it. They used to be able to go down to if you were born in the city of Detroit, here's what it was when I need to get my birth certificate.
Okay.
When you were born in the city of Detroit, you used to be able to go down to Herman Keeper and the Board of Health and used to get it. But they only would give it to you, they would only have it there if your parents were married at the time. If your parents weren't married at the time, you had to go to Lansing and get the birth certificate.
Wow.
Well, Judge, about 3 years ago or 4 years ago, about 3 years ago, I got a birth certificate from my son in over the Fishbone building. The records is over the Fishbone building. That was before COVID. I don't know what it is now. Like 2018, 2019, I went there and picked it up for my son.
Well, I went downtown about a month and a half ago to the birth record place, and they told me that they had no record of me down there.
You don't exist then, huh? Henry Lloyd doesn't exist.
No, I've been having a real hard time with that. That is like the biggest holdup ever.
All right. Well, we'll give you some time.
I really appreciate it, but it's crazy.
Have you gone to the state of Michigan?
I have been everywhere. I just was there like a month ago, and they told me they had no birth record of me at all.
Is his name a different name? Maybe you have a different last name?
I have tried all that, just changing my name around, everything.
So where are your people? You don't have them.
My people is here in Michigan, in Detroit.
Your mom and dad are still alive?
My mom is deceased. She passed when I was like 12 years old. And I never really had a relationship with my dad, so I really don't know much about him. I just have his name. That's it.
Can you find him?
I don't know if he's alive.
You know what? He's probably under his mom's maiden name.
I haven't tried that. I looked my mom up. I got some high school pictures of her and her name, and they still said no. They don't have me as. Huh?
What about brothers and sisters?
Yeah, all of them is got birth certificates except for me. I'm the only one that can't find his birth certificate. I've been trying to get a birth certificate for about 6 years now.
Did you find out which hospital you were born at?
No, I didn't.
So
but all I know,
if you're adopted or not?
No, I wasn't adopted, but I have step parents that when my mom passed, I went to go live with my stepdad and his wife.
And do they know anything about your?
No, my stepdad, he just passed like maybe 2 years ago.
Let's give you some time to, I want you to get a driver's license if you
I
can.
absolutely need one.
All right, let's give you some time to work on it. I'm gonna give you, 90 days to come on back.
Okay.
June 13th, 2022. These aren't the end of the world here.
Yeah.
You only got 2 charges, but we want to try to get everybody as best and as fair as we can on the board.
Absolutely.
So that's what we want to do. And you have some questions that you need to find out. And I'm going to give you some time to do that. Hopefully you can, I trust that you've been making good use of your time already, just been running into some roadblocks.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm on the website now, Michigan Department of Health and Human Services.
Okay.
And it has birth, death, marriage, and divorce records, order certificates. The following records are on file with Michigan.
Yeah, I was told that I could use a marriage license. I have that, and every time I go there, they said I can't use it. I need a birth certificate.
I'm gonna just tell you this short story about mine. I'm gonna let you go because we got some other people. I was going to get married and I lost my birth. I had my birth certificate. I lost my birth certificate. And that was when Herman Keeper was open. I went down to Herman Keeper and I told them Sean Perkins, SEANPERKINS. They look all over the place. That's when they told me, well, if your parents weren't married at the time, then your records are going to be in Lansing. I'm like, nah, my parents said they were married. They should be married, and they're looking all over. Well, my name, my mom, and I knew this, but my mom named me Shannon when I was born.
Okay.
And my dad didn't like the name Shannon, so he changed it. So then I just thought to the lady, I said, can you look up Shannon Perkins? And she looked up Shannon Perkins, and sure enough, it was filed under Shannon Perkins, but it was crossed out and it was handwritten Sean on there. So,
wow.
So that's one of the things that happened to me. I don't know if that may have been something that you may be dealing with as well. You know, you never know.
Yeah, because okay, because I got like, what do you call it? 2 initials, like a 2 at the end of my name. So I don't know if that's making a difference or not. But sometimes I use it and sometimes I leave it out.
Well, I would think it would be, you would have to use it on your birth certificate. If that's what it is, have you ever seen your birth certificate before?
I have. It was a long time ago.
Okay, so it's one out there then.
Yeah, I would hope so.
There's one out there. So yeah, I would definitely think you would need that the 2 by your name at the end of your name as well. So
okay.
I'm gonna give you June the 13th, 2022. Hopefully you're not driving, and hopefully you don't get any more tickets between now and then. We'll resolve these, but good luck to you. All right, Mr. Lloyd.
All right. Thank you very much.
Have a great day, sir.
All right. You too, sir.
June 13th, 2022 at 8:30 in the morning. All right.
Okay.
All right,
thank you very much.
Yep.
All right.
What month did you say?
June 13th.
June the 13th.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, the only one we're waiting on, well, we did find somebody else to come in the room. Let me see who that was. Anomi's iPhone. Amani's.
¿Le podré comentar eso que te
Where are you, man?
Yes.
que me doy?
¿No tiene alguien que lo va a representar?
Okay,
Sí,
now we got Garcia on.
Garcia.
All right, we got Garcia on.
Okay.
What's your
Señor,
last name, Miss Amani's?
Or what was that?
What's your last
No me
name,
acuerdo
Miss
del
Amani's?
nombre.
Lindsay
Lindsey.
Okay, I got you. All right. Let's get Mr. Garcia out of here. Mute you, I'll mute you until I get to call your name. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Francisco Garcia Perez. Case number
Sí.
SP 1288310. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor García, llamaron a su caso, el juez pidió, dio el número de su nombre, Francisco García, y el tiquete SP 12883101. Le pidió a los abogados que se presentaran para las actas.
Ok. ¿Y quiénes son los abogados? Yo no sé. ¿Ya lo hicieron?
Your Honor, he says he doesn't know, is it all done?
No, he's got a blocking traffic. We'll clear it up with $175 and we'll dismiss the other cases. He has a right to speak with a lawyer. He has a right to a trial. And if he needs some better understanding about what's going on, I can put him in a breakout room with the lawyer.
Ok, señor, no, el cargo se lo han rebajado a bloquear o impedir el tráfico y los otros cargos se los anulan. El juez dice que usted tiene derecho de tener un juicio si lo quiere y también tiene derecho, si necesita más información o clarificación, de hablar con la abogada que es la abogada gratis de hoy, y el juez lo puede poner a usted en un cuarto privado con la abogada. ¿Quiere hacer eso?
No, está bien, yo pago lo que él me diga. Yo quiero pagar mejor ya.
No, that is fine. I would like to do whatever the judge says. I would like to pay.
Well, the only way I'm going to let you pay is if you admit to running that stop sign.
La única manera que yo le puedo permitir de que usted pague es que si usted admite que se voló, que no se paró en donde estaba una señal de paro.
Sí me la pasé. Estaba en amarillo, pero se hizo rojo porque era muy rápido el tiempo y se me la pasé.
Yes, I did go, when under it, it was yellow when it started, but then it turned to yellow because it happened very fast.
That's good enough. All right, Ms. Barnwell, will your client admit, for the purposes of this responsible plea, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Judge.
Le preguntó a su abogada si usted admitía los hechos como están en el tiquete, como los hechos en este caso. Su abogada que dijo que sí.
Okay.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop?
Y su,
Yes,
cliente
Judge.
también va a estipular que hubo causa probable para dar el tiquete. Y la abogada contestó que sí.
Okay.
I'm going to dismiss the 2 misdemeanor counts, and I'm going to amend the blocking traffic to, amend the failure to stop or failure to turn or whatever it is to a blocking traffic $175. When can you pay? Well, no, you pay by March 18th, 2022, all right?
Ok, va a quitar los 2 otros tiquetes que son un delito de cargo menor, eso lo están anulando, se los quitan, y el tiquete de volarse o pasarse una luz roja lo van a bajar a que nada más sea impedir tráfico o bloquear tráfico. Tiene que pagar $175 antes del 18 de marzo.
En Detroit, ¿verdad? ¿O en la ciudad de Detroit?
In the city of Detroit?
In the city of Detroit, you come down to the 36th District Court and pay that $175, or pay that at any div dat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or upload the div dat app on your phone and pay it that way.
Ok, entonces sí, lo tiene que pagar aquí en la ciudad de Detroit. Él le dijo varias maneras que lo puede hacer. Puede ir por el internet a la página web del distrito que se llama 36th District Court.org. Ahí lo puede pagar, o puede ir a hay muchos kioscos por toda la ciudad que se llaman DivDat. Puede pagarlo por ahí. Usted también puede poner en su teléfono ese app de DivDat y pagarlo así, pero tiene que pagarlo. El 18 es este viernes. ¿Lo puede pagar antes del 18 del viernes?
Sí, pero no me podrían mandar un ticket o algo para poderlo pagar porque haga de cuenta que yo no sé mucho de computadoras ni de moverle y no me podrían mandar por correo el ticket y yo pagarlo.
Yes, Your Honor, I can pay before Friday, but I am not very good with a computer and I am not going to be able to do it through the computer. Is there any way that I could get an actual ticket in the mail and then I can mail the payment back?
No, he
No,
can go
come down to the courthouse and pay it before Friday.
No, no le van a mandar nada, pero también otra opción es presentarse ahí al edificio de la corte y ir a la ventanilla del cajero y pagarlo en persona antes del viernes.
Ok, ¿no tienes una pluma para ver cuánto voy a pagar? A ver, ¿sí le podría explicar a ella cómo pagarlo?
Can you explain to her how to pay or to me how to pay it?
Come down to the court, I just explained it to you.
Que venga aquí a la corte, se lo acabo de explicar, dice el juez,
Ok.
venga aquí a la corte. Y son
Ok.
175.
Ok, $175.
Sí.
Muy bien.
175.
Yes.
I'm wondering if maybe he needs a breakout room for the,
No.
okay, he needs a case number then.
Yeah, we can get the case. I mean, all he has to do is come down with his ID. They can find him. I can give him a case number.
La abogada presentó si usted necesita el número del caso, pero el juez dice que si usted va y presenta su identificación, así lo pueden encontrar.
Ah, perfecto. En la oficina de la corte, ¿verdad?
At the building, at the office of the court.
36th District Court, yeah, 421 Madison Street, 421 Madison Street.
Ajá, sí. Sí, es en el edificio de la Corte 36, que la dirección que él dio es 431 Madison Street, la calle
No,
Madison, en ese
42.
edificio. 421.
You see.
Ok. Sí.
Okay.
You want a case number? SP
Ok.
Yes, what's the case now?
Ok.
883103.
Ok, el caso es SP 12883103.
Ok.
Have a great day, sir.
Ok, gracias. Thank you.
Ok, que tenga buen día, buena suerte, señor
Thank you.
García. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Where's my
And you're-
response? I got a response to that. Wait a minute, where is my response to?
Usted tiene salir, señor.
Ok.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Gracias.
All right.
Gracias. Nice working with you, Ms. Barnwell, and same to
Nice.
you. Hasta la vista, pues Perkins.
All right.
Un placer, el placer, señora.
Gracias, bye bye.
Okay.
Ms. Grimes is on the phone for you, Ms. Nash. Let's go with Naomi Nicole Lindsay. Did I get that right? I messed it up, didn't I?
It's Amani.
What is it?
Amani.
Amani, I'm sorry, Amani Nicole Lindsay. This is the city of Detroit versus Amani Nicole Lindsay, case number V123204221, V123205521, V123200621. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Miss Amoni Nicole Lindsay.
Amani. Where's that killer?
The dog, it wasn't even
Yeah.
my dog.
Where's that killer?
It wasn't even my dog. It's back with the original person it was given to. It was my dog that was gave to a neighbor. But when the people came out, she ran, she was in front of our home. I explained to them that it was not my
All right,
dog.
listen. You got, can you get the owner and at least get some vaccination records for this dog or something?
I can get the owner. From my understanding, the dog has been put to sleep in, or they end up catching her then and taking her. Because the dog hasn't been seen.
The dog is gone?
The dog is gone. The dog hasn't been seen since then. I took it back to where it originally was, which was down the street, and the dog is gone.
All right. I'm gonna set a trial date for the matter.
Okay.
The offer here is, so just talk to the prosecutor on that day, May 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Come back May 17th, 2020. Do you have proof that the dog is gone?
No, like what, how do I even get proof of it? I haven't even seen the dog. Like,
Well, see if you can get the people down here that you gave the dog to on that morning and zoom in with, all right?
okay, so just had them join the Zoom link. Is it gonna be the same one, or is it something else gonna come
It'll
out?
be the same one.
Okay.
What kind of dog was it?
Ma, I believe it was a pit.
Yeah, that's what I said. Where's the killer? All right. Come back in May 17th, 2022. That's gonna be trial. We'll have the well, if they show up, the officer that gave the tickets out, get as much people as you can to determine whether this dog is dead. See if you can convince the prosecutor. You'll have a defense lawyer there that morning and see if you can convince the prosecutor that this dog is not yours. But the problem is that it doesn't matter whether the dog was yours or not. The statute says that if the dog is in your possession or control or whatever, then you're supposed to have it vaccinated, you're supposed to have a leash and all that stuff. So just come back on in May 17th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Have a great day, man. All right, that's it, Ms. Williams Law, Ms. Barnwell.